In this video, we're going to look at addressing methods or addressing modes. The types of addressing methods or modes you need to know are immediate and direct addressing. There is also indirect and indexed, but these two are not actually part of the AQA spec. For immediate addressing, if you can remember from the video on operand, the operand refers to the data or location of data to be used. With immediate addressing, the value in the operand is the data. In an exam, you will either be told immediate addressing is used, or you will see a hash before the value. The hash means we are dealing with the number. So if you see hash 3, it is the number 3, so the actual data. With direct addressing, the operand is the location where the data can be found. The location is often represented with an R before the number, referring to a register, but could also just be a number on its own. With indirect addressing, the value in the operand is the location which contains the location of where the value can be found. You might be thinking what the point of this is. Well, sometimes the name of an address might not fit in the operand, so by going to another location to see the full address, it means we're not limited by the 64 bits. And finally, with index addressing, the value in our operand tells us a certain number of positions we need to move by in order to find the data. This is often used when we want to work with an array of data. Alright, let's make sense of it all. Pause the video here and try to complete the table on the right by using the table on the left. So here you can see with immediate addressing, the 003 is taken as the exact data, so 3 is what gets entered into the accumulator. With direct addressing, we go to the location 003 and find what's in there. As it's a 6, we enter 6 into the accumulator. With indirect addressing, we go to the location 3 to find the next location. This location is 6, and inside location 6 is 4, so we enter that into the accumulator. Finally, with index, we start at 4, move 3 positions, putting us in 007, which is null, and null is in the accumulator. And that's everything you need to know about addressing modes.